Do you want to still got a son?
Okay, start.
Is this one of the tougher guys that you face that maybe a higher one?
Somebody gotta come on this side. It's gonna be easier.
It's gonna be easier?
No, I said no. Y'all gotta quiet down back there, police. You know, like I said before, you know, this is sport of boxing. This sport of boxing, and of course, it's blood, sweat, and tears. And I actually feel like everybody's put in a certain position for a certain reason. And you know, it's always been one of my ultimate goals was to get to the pinnacle of the sport and only push myself to the limit by facing the best. And he's a young champion. What else can I say? He's a young champion. I feel like, experience-wise, I have a lot more experience. I don't really know too much about his amateur background. A lot of times, Mexican fighters, the amateur background is not really that large, but they have a lot of experience. At a very young age, boxing professional. So I think it's obvious he has done something thus far to get to this point, and I feel I can make adjustments and I can adapt to any situation that I'm put in when it comes to getting inside that sports circle.
Why him though? Why Canelo? Why'd you decide to fight him?
Hopefully you just heard what I said. It's obvious you're not listening. I just said it's about getting to the pinnacle of the sport and facing the best they got out there. He's one of the best guys out there at this particular time.
It's been a while since you fought two fights so close together. Why did you choose to come back so soon?
If you guys don't know, if you guys heard about my deal, I said I was going to be active. These are the things I've been saying. So before you guys come to the round table, before you come to the table, do your homework. Do your homework. Just don't read a lot of negative things. Do your homework and find out what's going on. I said I was going to be very active, so I could stay sharp and I could be at the top of my game.
So should we expect you to fight 4 months after this fight as well, or?
I just want to stay, like I said before, I just want to stay active, continue to go out there and get the people excitement, and test myself and push myself against the best guys that they got out there in the sport of boxing.
When you fought Oscar at 154, it was 154. You didn't ask for a catch weight or anything. What was the reason for the catch weight?
Once again with this, I'll let Leonard answer that. And then I can piggyback off that.
Okay. Yeah, I want to be very clear on this. His manager, Reynoso, a couple weeks prior, he put it out there. He suggested that he was willing to take his kid and fight at a catch weight.
So I think, me myself, I think that I guess he called himself pulling my card. So when you do something like that, of course my team come to me. And they said, Floyd, this is what we have on the table. What do you think about it? I'm like, well, let's make it happen. So of course you're gonna go back and forth with negotiating. Then you guys gonna come up with the terms that the teams come up with, as far as Richard and Al or Richard Leonard. They're gonna come up with the terms that they come up with, and then as fighters, we either agree or we don't. And you see, as far as with the Pacquiao fight could have happened in the past.